Hello, stock investors. I hope all of you are ready for this short week. Now, the market has been on a terrific bull trend, and everyone is watching for this reversal that's supposedly happening with seasonality. Now, I think that the market could continue to move upwards, and there's some things that I'm looking for personally before I get bearish on the market. I am full bull until the market proves to me that we're seeing some signs of it rolling over. And in today's video, I'm going to give you those things that we're looking for. I'm also going to cover 7 stocks with my 7 different strategies. I have 7 stock strategies that I use each and every day, and I have a stock pick for each and every one of them. You will want to stay till the end of the video. We have so much to cover, so let's get going. But before I get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications so that you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group. If you are interested in my intraday alerts and my insider alerts and so on and so forth, that is the place that you want to be a part. Now, so far this year, I am up 6.1%, doing kind of okay. Looking for a lot more, but doing better than I did last year. Did not have a good year last year in 2023. But over the last 5 years, I have personally averaged a 184% gain per year. It has really been a terrific run over these last 5 years and over this time that I've been investing for over 18 years. And I do so by having solid strategies. I follow my strategies to a T. I have reasons for entering, reasons for exiting, and today is a special video where I get to go through each and every one of my 7 strategies and give you a stock pick from that strategy that I think you may consider using. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know your financial situation, but you may take interest in some of these things that I've developed over lots and lots of years of testing. All right, so let's start talking about this bull market. First and foremost, let's get to the charts and take a look. All right, so I have the daily chart. Let's close this over. Excuse me here. Okay. All right, so this is the daily chart, and here are some of the things that I am looking for. Here is the S&P 500. Okay, so this is the 20 EMA. One thing when the market is breaking down, one thing that I always look for is I look for the price action to be below the 20 EMA. Now, as you can see here, we are above the 20 EMA, and I take the 3 major indices, the SPY ETF, the triple Qs, and the Russell 2000. So you can see right here, SPY is above the 20 EMA. That is bullish. The triple Qs are above, just resting right here on top of the 5 EMA. Not even close to this 20 EMA here, so that is bullish. Again, the Russell 2000. Well, what's going on with the Russell 2000? We are way above the 20 EMA, which is this white line right here. And so all 3 indices are above, and there's lots of people talking bear, bear, bear. The market's going to crash, blah, blah, blah. All this is horrible. And that may be true. That might be happening. But in the short term, I don't think so. All these indices are above the 20 EMA. I even had my one doom video from about 2 months ago where I thought the market would double top. And hey, I was wrong. And so I follow price action because my feelings will always lead me in the wrong direction. And seeing this like it is, I think that the stock market's going up. There's another reason why I think the stock market is going up. And let's get over here. And it starts with my number 7 pick. And it has to do, that strategy is my DeMark ETF strategy. And as you're looking here, you see the VIX. And this is the VIX, the volatility index, and it spiked up here and got a sell signal here, which the VIX is kind of opposite world. When the VIX is spiking, it is bearish for the market. When it's going up, it's very bearish for the market. And when it's coming down, it is bullish for the market. Well, when we get a sell indicator, that's actually very bullish for the market. This means that in 7 weeks, we have seen higher prices week after week going into last week, which means that in the past when that has happened, we have seen the market come down. We've seen the VIX come down and that be very bullish for stocks. And you can see it spiked here back in October of 2022. What happened? It came back down. Here we had the banking crisis, and that has come back down. And now we have a little bit of a spike here, and I think it's going to go even further down. I think in the short term, this is my number 7 pick. This is my DeMark ETF strategy, and I pick SVIX, ticker symbol SVIX, which moves up when the VIX is moving down. And I'm expecting this one to move upwards here, and we could see a move all the way up to 42, 43, somewhere in there. Now, it's possible that could turn against us and the market could go bad, and if so, there are certain things that I look for to even add more to this position. But right now, in the short term, probably through Thursday or so, I'm expecting the market to at least move down in that short period of time, and then we will see from there. Okay, so that's pick number 7 as part of my DeMark ETF strategy. That strategy is 100%, believe it or not. I have never lost with it. All right, let's go on to the next one, and the next one is going to be an insider stock. So I love trading stocks with significant insider activity. It is how I built my portfolio over time. And the company that is interesting to me that happened on Friday, that I plan on finding an entry point sometime on Tuesday, is ticker symbol SOC. This is Sable Offshore Corporation. And here we have a lot of purchases at $10 a share, but it's these other purchases. This one here at $11.15. This one here at $11.73. And so as you take a look and you go into the Form 4, you find that column 4 is a weighted average price. That is very, very, very important. That means that they were willing to pay whatever price to get in. This is a 10% owner. This is the CEO, who's an officer and also director of the board, who purchased shares in this company. And so that is very, very bullish. I think that that's bullish, and so that is a stock I'm looking at on Tuesday, ticker symbol SOC. All right, let's go to number 5, and number 5 is part of my long-term strategy. And my long-term strategy, this is my long-term dividend strategy. I like Leggett and Platt Incorporated, ticker symbol LEG. And I like this buy signal down here. This is a terrific value and a stock that is yielding over 8%. And so those things I really like. A really long-term company like Leggett and Platt that has raised their dividend for at least 25 years plus. And we have a beautiful entry point here. Now, we've had some buy signals, lots of buy signals here. I actually sold out here. I bought in this cluster here and sold out there because it did flash a sell signal just for a short period of time. And then it fell. It's fallen for 7 weeks in a row. And so now I'm looking to re-enter it. I like this entry point, looking to make dividends over the long term on this particular stock. I will wait for the next market push upwards, and then I will sell out for a profit. This is a stock strategy that last year I was 69 of 69 out of, and that is Leggett and Platt fits that strategy perfectly. All right, so let's move to the next. The next is number 4. This is a long-term weekly DeMark strategy, and this ticker symbol is Humana, ticker symbol HUM. And we have this beautiful buy signals down here. I think that the panic is almost over on this. This has really been moving down to the downside. You can see we had a lot of sell signals up here, right around the 540s. And but more buy signals here. I like this long term. I think at least 7 weeks. I like this stock for a move to the upside. This strategy last year was 100%, and I won each and every time I entered into a stock that fit this strategy. And this strategy fits, and I think that going into Tuesday, that this is a good long-term pick. If you like long-term picks, I think Humana is a good company to be into. All right, the next one is Johnson Outdoors. And give me just a moment to find the chart on it here. Let me just quickly do a little search. Okay, Johnson Outdoors. We have more buy signals here, and this has been continuing. This is part of my Billionaires Club. I like this stock for a move to the upside, although we haven't really seen a lot of those moves quite yet. I think that this stock is one that is a good one to average in on at number 3. Number 2. All right. Number 2. Let's go up here. Sorry for the disorganization there a little bit. Number 2 is Warner Brothers Discovery. And this is part of my this is a short-term strategy that takes advantage of DeMark signals, but we have a DeMark buy signal on the weekly chart, and then also some recent ones on the 4-hour chart just back here. So because of those reasons, I like Warner Brothers Discovery for a nice move to the upside. We shall see what we get, and it should be an interesting ride. And so let's go all the way to number 1. And number 1 is based on my weekly chart, and this is part of my active ETF strategy. This is trading stocks within Cathie Wood's ARK ETF, and Tesla is my big buy this week at number 1. Now, we have not seen a buy signal on Tesla in a very long time, so it's been a while since we've seen this stock get to a 7 buy signal, and so I am always looking to enter into Tesla stock. I like the cars. I like Elon Musk. I know it's been beaten up because of earnings, and I think this is the perfect time to buy. I like this stock very much for a move to the upside. Well, I wish you all the best in the stock market. I hope all of you are enjoying my videos. I so appreciate all of you watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section down below. As always, I wish you the best in the stock market. This is a very hard thing to do, is to make money in the stock market, but I wish you the best doing it. Anyway, hope you have a fantastic short week, and Raythoven out.